Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your PayPal account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com. Once you are in the home page, log into your PayPal account with your credentials. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then, tap on Settings. Under the Account section, scroll down and you'll find the option Close your account. Tap on it, and PayPal will ask you to confirm your decision. If you have any pending transaction or unresolved issues, PayPal will let you know. Once you are ready, hit Close Account to delete your account. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.